Okay, so now that you have your name selected, the next thing that we're going to do, your list of 5 names, you're going to go to the NASS website, which stands for National Association of Secretaries of State. And we're going to jump over here and we're going to go select the state that you are going to incorporate your business in, or where you want to do your cleaning business. So incorporating, we can do in any state, but this is the state that we're going to run the business in and have the name. So let's go ahead, go. So you can see here, this is the Florida. So we have sunbiz.com. And what I typically do is I go here because I already know that it's sunbiz.com. So, oops, sorry, sunbiz.org. So here you can see, you can search records and you can start a business. So we're going to first start with search records. And what we're looking for is that particular name of your business. Now, there's 2 different ways. You have an LLC that you're going to create, and then you have your DBA. So what you want to do here is you want to search records for more likely the DBA, because your LLC 99% of the time is going to be separate than your DBA. So down here, we're going to look for DBA. Okay.